How's it hanging, folks? Today we are back at it again. We are gonna continue on with some space engineers. So without further ado, let's get into the game, shall we? Alright. Here we are, and I think I've fixed my audio issues. Nope. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna fix up our vehicle a little bit. We made a vehicle, now let's make it better. How many steel plates do I have in my inventory? 2. Okay, not many. Well, let's get some more. Gonna need a few more. I think that's what I need. Ah. There. Okay, there's nothing in here. Looks like we're gonna have to start with some mining then. Actually, you know what? Let's use this for its intended purpose. Wonderful! It seems our ramp is a bit too steep. I'm not actually sure how to fix that. Okay. Ramp. Ramp. That's a new block. Let's see, let's also check armor blocks. See, is there lower slope? Not really. Kinda. Yeah, that's something. Wait, let me... That and that. Wait. That's not what I'm looking for. That is... Oh, I grabbed the wrong thing. Okay. Okay. So let's get that fixed first. Is it the same color as the base? Not quite, but it's close. Oh, not the ramp. I'm out of those. Looks like I had a few. Aw. Okay. There. There we go. That's a much nicer ramp. So now we have to figure out how to flip our vehicle back over. Not to worry, I know just how to do that. We're gonna give it the ability to fly. Sort of. We are going to attach thrusters to it. And hope that we have enough power to actually run them. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Control panel. Turn it off. Oh. Well, we almost flipped back over. That almost worked. And it's broken. Okay. We have a thruster. We're all the way over here now. We need one more thing. We need a gyro. And then we are golden. Is there a gyro in this by chance? Probably not. Doesn't look like it. Well, I need to grab parts for a gyro then. Just gonna stick the gyroscope to the side. Because it does not matter at all what direction it's facing. That's going to take from, that's got a couple of motors. Parachute hatch has some stuff. I need 2 more computers. Let's see, what else has computers in here? Small cargo container. What's inside? Nothing. Okay. That gave me a computer. There we go. Did that give me computers? Gave me 2. Was that how many I needed? Can't remember. Aha! We've got a gyroscope now. Okay. Up. Come on. There we go! Oh yeah, I forgot they added like tactical targeting here. I need to add a backup camera on this. Oh. I don't know why it got out upside down. But we need a camera. Luckily, that's an easy thing to make. I might actually have what I need on me. Probably have what I need on me. Oh, there's nothing to mount it on. Well, that's easily remedied. Oh, I need 3 computers, of course. Oh, it's raining. Oh, right, I was mining. That's what I was doing. storing the parts for a thruster in the cockpit here. Oh, there's the hole. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay, driving backwards. Oh. Is that good enough? No? Oh! Dang it! Hey, when that happens. Well, now I have to make another connector. I don't actually really like the color of the vehicle we've made here. Okay, what all do we need for this thing? 12 construction components, 6 small steel tubes, 6 motors. And 6 computers. There we go. Okay. Now, here's something we're going to do. We're going to go into the control panel here and select all of these. I'm going to turn the power way down. Okay. We have to redo the controls down here. Yeah, this. What is it? Because it's sagging from the weight of the rocks that no longer actually can attach to the connector? See if that's the case. Ah, there we go. Finally. And for our troubles, we got marginally more efficient rock carrying. Okay. Well, I think we're going to keep doing mining the old-fashioned way as we've been doing, running back and forth. Well, let's do what we originally set out to do and start making some upgrades to the vehicle. Start with this. One. That. Nope. Wait. Oh. Oh. Wait. I think I made these slightly far forward. I'm gonna need one more steel plate. Now you're probably wondering, what's the row of boxes for? Why are you doing this? Be patient. All will be revealed. Eh. Okay, jumping never gets you anywhere. That is for these. Give it some solar panels. Ah, it's intersecting with that. Unfortunate. I'm gonna go with a different design then. This is the design I usually go with. I think I made this one a little more compact than I usually do. Wait, I don't actually need to get rid of that one. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. There. Going with a very different design, but one that will actually let me put more solar panels on it. Oh, wait. Better weld these first. Before I forget. This design will allow me to put 5 of them on. Let's see how far out. How far does that stick out? Pretty far, actually. But will mean it gets more power. So it's a little wonky looking, but it'll work. Hmm. Okay. And you know what? Oh yeah, I forgot solar cells are huge. I'm gonna spring for the full thing for these. Here. Oh wait, it was 8 per, not 6 per. Forgot. Miscounted. Or misread, more like. Okay, the other 2 things we're going to attach to this thing we can steal off of here. We're going to steal an antenna and an ore detector. Place them on here. Wind turbines are moving. So I'll probably add more wind turbines. Probably a good idea. Oh wait, last thing, that backup camera. A vital piece of technology. I can never remember what all goes into a camera. Not a lot. Three computers, okay. Okay, now let's get some things set up. Page view. Let's go on and off. Control panel. Ore detector. Broadcast using antennas. Max range. Our antenna. Broadcast radius. Sure. I don't remember what it was. But now, our machine here can detect ores. Probably should have put headlights on it. Oh, there's some nickel. We knew about that already, though. Gonna really open it up across this plane here. Ah, there's the rock. Silicon. That's not great. I'll grab a load of it, carry it back. No, where are you going? I didn't activate the parking brake. There. That ought to help. Oh, let's leave a GPS marker. Well, we found silicon. I think that's another... Is that a tree or another big rock over there? Iron! Iron! Iron vein. Excellent. That's a good find. That's a good find. Not as good as a cobalt vein, but I'll take it. There it is. There's our blurry vein. Now I have to dig my way out. Ah, grass. Might need to add more this way just so that it can balance out a little better. Oh. There we go. That's almost full anyway. Time to head back to base. Oh, I forgot to mark this spot. Another iron vein? Okay, that whole area is just very iron rich apparently. Wait. This one's slightly closer too. Marking this one too. Oh crap! Well. You know what? This vehicle was kind of bad anyway. We're gonna build a new one. I'm gonna scrap this thing and build a new one. A better one. That doesn't suck. Because you know what? I'll take that. This design with these solar panels like that was awful. Trouble is, now we're gonna have to transfer all this material by hand. We're turning that all back into raw material. I can't get at the stuff inside because it's broken. Problem solved. What? I should probably attach some solar panels to the base or something. Needs 4 more girders and 16 more solar cells. Okay. Yeah, that's... Well, the sun... Really, they're just kind of screwing me over with these storms. I think before we make another car, we should get a proper assembler and refinery. Maybe actually build this up a bit. We'll build the assembler and refinery and then get on with bigger and better things. So, assembler. Let's see. So we need 140 steel plates. Oh, here. Go into this. Technically 120 steel plates. 80 construction components. 20 motors. 10 displays. 10 metal grids. 160 computers. And we just have enough material in there for it. That's nice. Just kind of a waiting game then. I actually want to move this a little bit then. Just the full-size assembler takes up a little more space. Gonna put it in this corner here. I'm not sure I can actually put it in the same corner there. I have to build out a bit. Okay, so the new refinery will go right here. The new assembler right here. Yeah, that'll give me more than enough. All the remaining steel plates. There. Now it just needs more computers. There we go, we've got a full assembler now. Take all the material out of that. Put it over here. Grind you down. Might as well build it up to full. Now we need our refinery. Not a basic refinery anymore. A refinery. We'll see how much more we need. Oh boy, that's a lot. Looks like 1,060 steel plates are still needed. If that's a lot of steel, or that's a lot of iron I'm gonna need. Oh boy, and that's not even the most of it. So 20 large steel tubes as well. What was that? 5 more motors and 20 metal grids. Got enough cobalt stored up. And that's it. How much is in this? Not nearly that much. Well, let's take what we got out of here. And I guess we'll do some mining. Okay. Finally have enough iron. Yeah, instead of just going to stone like a lot, I instead wasted copious amounts of hydrogen running back and forth between here and Iron Vein. So that's fun. Especially since I don't have an ice source and thus can't get more hydrogen. There we go. Got a refinery now. This is not the direction I meant for it to face. Oh well. Yeah, this'll work. Disassemble all once again. The place feels a little less cluttered, actually. Now I can make anything, and I can take advantage of the much better feature in here that I can just tell it make the parts you need for these things. Which is an incredible feature, honestly. Actually, let's just get rid of those. Just get rid of those things. Okay, I think with our newfound assembler and refinery, probably a good place to call it quits for the day. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. Hope that was at least mildly entertaining. I'll be back again soon with something else. Till then, see ya.